Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about the Magic Mesh Deluxe, the best magnetic screen door that you've probably seen on TV. If you're tired of struggling with traditional screen doors or constantly dealing with pesky bugs invading your home, this is the solution you need. The Magic Mesh Deluxe is a hands-free magnetic screen door designed to keep the bugs out while allowing fresh air to flow freely into your space. Whether you're dealing with hot summer days or just want to enjoy a breeze without worrying about insects, this is the perfect addition to your home. It's made with a durable, heavy-duty mesh that will last for seasons to come. The design includes 18 strong magnets that ensure a secure, tight closure every time you walk through. Installation is a breeze. The Magic Mesh Deluxe comes with everything you need to get it set up in minutes: a mesh panel, hook and loop strips, and wood tacks for a secure fit. Simply peel off the adhesive backing, stick the strips to your door frame, and you're ready to go. No need for complicated tools or professional help. It fits standard-sized doors measuring 39 inches by 83 inches, making it perfect for sliding, patio, deck, or porch doors. One of the standout features of this product is how family-friendly it is. Whether you have kids running in and out or pets that love to go in and out of the house, the Magic Mesh Deluxe makes it effortless. It opens and closes automatically, and the magnets ensure a smooth closure without any hassle. No more worrying about holding the door open or closing it behind you. Plus, its frameless design means it's easy to store away during the off-season when not in use. When it comes to keeping your home bug-free, the Magic Mesh Deluxe is a game-changer. Whether it's mosquitoes, flies, or other insects, it creates a barrier that keeps them outside where they belong. It's perfect for those busy households where you need a solution that's both effective and easy to use. So, if you're looking for a simple, efficient, and reliable way to keep the bugs out and let the fresh air in, the Magic Mesh Deluxe is the solution you've been waiting for. It's easy to install, hands-free, and designed to last. Visit the link in the description to grab yours today and enjoy a bug-free home. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews like this one.